Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In last week's tutorial, we saw how to actually install an extension in our Visual Studio Code text editor environment. In the tutorial today, we'll see how we can actually uninstall an extension that we have previously installed. So to do that, we can go to our left-hand panel and select our extension. If you're on a Windows, you can use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus X, or if you're on a Mac, you can use the shortcut Command plus Shift plus X. So here I'm going to select Docker, which is what we installed last week. I'm going to select uninstall. This will then uninstall the Docker extension that we had previously installed. So there you have it. This is how you can uninstall an extension that you have previously installed in your Visual Studio Code text editor environment.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.